kids! Today we are drawing a rabbit.
And that's all, folks.
First, we draw face of the rabbit. Do you know, rabbits love to eat carrots? Wow! Now, we are drawing eyes of the rabbit. Wow! So cute eyes! Our rabbit is looking so awesome! So awesome, rabbit! If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
And that's all, folks.
Let's do coloring. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
One, two, three, splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine.
Wow! 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 Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super Sir Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug.
One, two, three, splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.